For too long, we have held preconceived notions of the market and the state that were seemingly independent of local societies and cultures. The debate about civil society ultimately is about how culture, market, and state dash each other. So we have in the options relate, related to, relating to, relating. But the answer will be how culture, market, and state relate to each other, because if we want to say related to or relating, we will need are. So if we put how culture, market, and state are related to each other, or how culture, market, and state are relating to each other. So, and without to we cannot put relating. So the only option that can come without the word are is relate to. How 1, 2, and 3 relate to each other. However, concern about civil society is not only relevant to Central and Eastern Europe and the developing world, it is very much of dash to the European Union as well. What is it here? It is the debate, the concern about civil society. So they are saying that the concern about civil society is not only in Central and Eastern side of Europe, but the European Union as well is interested in that. So this will be people are concerned, everywhere people are concerned about civil society. So we'll say it is very much of dash, awareness, interest, attention, notice. So if the organizations or the countries are concerned about civil society, how society should perform, how society should go, this is not their awareness or attention, this is their interest. They want to make the society better. So it is of interest to European Union. The civil dialogue initiated by the Commission in 1990s was the first attempt by EU to give institutions of society, and not only governments and businesses, a voice at the policy-making tables in Brussels. In EU, like other international organized institutions, has a long way to go in trying to dash the frequently divergent interests. So, divergent is different, and interest, as we know that different people have different opinions, they have different interests. But EU is trying to dash all the different interests. So they will try to lodge, accommodate, house or seat. So we cannot house or seat any interest. Lodge is used for complaint. We lodge a complaint means to file, and accommodate is to bring together. So all the different things to bring together to make unity in something, that is how we use the word accommodate. So it means EU is trying to bring together, to accommodate the different interests of non-governmental organizations and citizen groups. There is increasing dash that international and national governments have to open up to civil society institutions. So after that, whatever is written is what comes before the word that. Now there is increasing what, and what is that thing that international and national governments have to open up. So this is gratitude, this is credit, this is detection, or this is recognition. Gratitude is thankfulness towards something. Credit, like we take the credit for arranging a party. Detection is to find something, like detect the evidence. Detection is used in crime perspective, or detection is to find something. But here whatever is written will be called recognition. That recognition means more and more organizations and more people are coming to know. This thing is becoming more clear now that these two organizations will have to open up to civil society. So that means people are accepting this fact, or people are coming to know about this fact. That is called recognition.